Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the third question in exercise 4.6. Solve the system of equations using matrix method. They have given x plus y is equal to 1 and 7x plus 7y is equal to 7. So first let's generate the coefficient matrix A. So this is going to be the matrix with the coefficients of x and y. So this will be 1, 1, 7, 7. Now the next matrix B will be the constants matrix. So this will be 1 and 7. First let's compute what is determinant of A. So determinant of A is 7 minus 7, which is equal to 0. Just because determinant is 0, we cannot say whether these equations are consistent or inconsistent. So let's compute what is adjoint matrix. So adjoint A is, since it's a 2 cross 2 matrix, I'm simply swapping the places. 7, 1. This will be minus 1 and minus 7. Now this matrix I'm going to multiply with B. So adjoint of A into the matrix B. So let's write that out. 7 minus 1 minus 7, 1 will be multiplied with 1 and 7. So now let's compute. So this is 7 minus 7 and this is minus 7 plus 7. So this means this matrix value is equal to 0. Since this matrix value is equal to 0, this pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. So since it's infinitely many solutions, let's find out a general form for this particular equation. So let's assume y's value is equal to k, then x is going to be equal to 1 minus k. So where k is going to be any real number. So with that, we are able to generate infinite number of possible solutions for this particular set of equation. In the next video, we will find the solution to the fourth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.